Hello, this is Ms. Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 5, Lesson 10. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about understanding a clock as a partitioned circle and tell time to the hour. Now, looking at this, we have a few questions that we want to ask ourselves. First question is, what time is it? Second question is, how do we know? Well, looking at this, I know that it's 5 o'clock. Now, how is it that I know this? Well, I know it because I know that this long hand right here tells me the minutes. I'm going to put an M for minutes right here. And then this short piece tells us the hours. I'll put an H for hours right here. Now, we have to show this as a digital time, which is we're going to put this right here. And when on the digital time, the hours go first and the minutes are last. Now, we know that minutes, we don't use these numbers. Minutes use secret numbers. So we know that minutes has different numbers they use. The hours use these numbers that are around the clock. Minutes use secret numbers, which would be the 00 for the 12. Now looking at this, I can tell that it's pointing to the 5. So it's the 5th hour and 0 minutes. So this is 5 o'clock. Whenever you see the 00, you say o'clock. So 5 o'clock. Alrighty guys, that's it for this video.